In a petition filed in the Employment and Labour Relations Court in Nyeri, the complainant maintains that her termination from the Kenya Airports Authority is unfair and details the events that led to her dismissal from work. Prior to her dismissal, Daisy Cherogony appeared before a disciplinary committee on the 19th of April to answer to charges of mistreating and humiliating the Education Cabinet Secretary, Fred Matiang'i, by requiring him to line up, which almost led him to miss his flight to Kisumu. She was then suspended from duty and later fired from her post as security supervisor. According to the petition, Daisy says the Education Cabinet Secretary, Dr. Fred Matiang'i, was at the airport on the 5th of April 2017, accompanied by a police officer and others who were shouting and trying to force their way without going through the queues. Daisy cites the security manual, which states that cabinet secretaries usually queue like normal passengers unless they have special passes. Dr. Fred Matiang'i, according to her, did not have the requisite documents that would have allowed him in without screening. The former employee claims that Matiang'i told her that he called Transport Cabinet Secretary James Macharia to inform him about the chaos at the airport. The petition says that she was accused of a wrong that does not exist, yet she had diligently done her job as a security supervisor. She says she was wrongfully terminated from work, was never afforded a fair hearing, and was never shown any complaint written by Matiang'i. She argues that she was not given any warning and was victimized and discriminated by her employer. She now wants the court to declare her termination unfair and award her 2.4 million shillings for wrongful dismissal. For Citizen Weekend, I am Anne Mawathe.